Hi, I am Mohammad Sahid and my batchmates are Kalayarasan and Kalidas. We are doing ECE final year at Veltech Multitech Engineering College. We are guided by Javi Singh Sir, Assistant Professor of Electronics and Communication Department. We have done a project on an in-pipe leak and blockage detection robo with a neural network based leak verification. The proposed concept in this paper is to replace the manual work in drainage cleaning by an automated system. Impurities in drainage water can be only like empty bottles, polythene bags, papers, etc. These impurities present in drainage water can cause blockage in the drainage system. The drainage system can be cleaned time to time manually, or such a system can be designed that will automatically throw out wastage and will keep the water clean. This project is designed to keep clean the drainage system and helps the smooth working of the system. This project automatically cleans the water in the drainage system each time any wastage appears, and this form an efficient and easy way of cleaning the drainage system and preventing the blockage. We designed our project to use this inefficient way to control the robot disposal of wastages, and with the regular filtration of wastages, substance are treated separately and monitor the disposal of frequent manner. We are created this project for solving these two problems. They are in-pipe problems and sewage problems. In-pipe problems, power plants and gas line problems. Human inspection is impossible in high pressure situations. Small pipe sizes do not allow physical inspection. Non-destructive testing. Test can be done only for a portion of pipe. It can be mostly on external surfaces. Sewage problems. Manual labor in extreme conditions, unable to access intricate location inside the lines because of suffocation and toxicity. Removal of sewage from inner lateral portions is difficult by normal scavenging. Limitations in the existing system. No provision in Bandicoot kind of robot to clear the blockages in lateral pipe. Current in pipe robot cannot be used for cleaning sewage pipe. Absence of modular robotic design that can simultaneously support inspection and maintenance activities. And the solutions are provision provided to clear blockages in lateral pipe, good gripping between the wheels and pipe wall, different attachments like 3 DOF wrist and camera can be attached to the robo as per requirement. Robo acts as a base to build features upon. This is the project overflow chart. Shortlisting the key problems, discussion on problem related into in-pipe inspection and maintenance, shortlisted the key coming in existing solution, brainstorm on use of robotics to enhance capability of existing solution, propose a feasible concept using combination of basic mechanism, modeling the prototype, market feasibility analysis, prepare house of quality, optimization of design, CAD model of final product, manufacturing of the robot. The concept CAD model has a front wheels, couplers, frame brakes, back wheels and dampers. This used to move forward the robot inside the pipe. In this robot, the custom shapes are avoided as much as possible to make manufacturing parts simple and universal so that it can be distributed and assembled in a standard manner. The whole mechanism make use of rapidly available dampers to act as a suspension and avoid multiple parts used in the concept. Here are the parts called bill of materials that are used to assemble this project. Here are the additional add-ons used in our project. They are grabber that can be attached to capture clocked particle, even do small maintenance work. A 3 DOF wrist manipulator is used to operate the grabber, and a camera module can be fitted beside the inboard camera. This can be utilized for inspection purpose. The robo frame is modular enough to attach any such add-ons and thus give rise to variety of application related to sewage and pipelines. Here are the completion plan, procurement of remaining raw material once the shop being functioning, distribution of part manufacture relating to availability of part among group members area, manufacture of standardized part in different location by group members, review of part and product manufacture online and assembly in unified place or university, quality check initiating testing and defect correction, final presentation and demonstration of prototype. So now we have come to a conclusion. We can conclude that a serious problem like manual scavenging now a full-fledged solution. The proposed solution is feasible and can be good implementation of robotic technology. It can be used for mapping of sewer pipe system. The data acquired can be simplified, used for improvement in future project. Toxic gases can be detected using various sensor add-ons. Development of model under progress and once complete will put it for a real world testing for analyzed performance. Future scope. We are developing it into a prototype with the custom parts. wherein we could make a design more adaptive and comfort, wherein could be used smaller application. Multiple add-ons can be manufactured to suit the modular design, and thus robot act as a open source base on which multiple concepts can be developed.